Good morning, everyone. It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2020 Kawasaki Teryx KRX 1000. I've just installed the sport front bumper on it, and the install on this was so easy, you guys. I went ahead and fully installed it. I'm going to show you a little bit about the install. It's super easy. Like I mentioned, all you're going to do is you're going to take two of these brackets that you can see right here, loosely install these two bolts, hold the bumper up, loosely install this bolt, which comes through the front end. All the holes are already tapped and everything for you. And then you're gonna take and install two bolts. So the kit actually comes with these 4 bolts and these 2 nuts, but I decided to go ahead and put on the tow hook on the front. So you're gonna wanna install that tow hook after you hold the bumper up. If you guys are looking to install those tow hooks and you're thinking about doing the bumper, you might as well do them at the same time because you're gonna wanna install that tow hook on top of the bumper. I went ahead and used the 2 bolts and the nuts that came with the tow hook. You can see there, nice, easy install, super clean, super tight. It's gonna be a great bumper for you. As a reminder, 14 foot-pounds on all the bolts that I showed you on the back side, and 28 foot-pounds on those two, you guys. What do you guys think of that bumper? Very nice, very clean looking. More info to come. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. We've got the bumpers and the tow hooks in stock. Give us a call. We can get them shipped out today. Have a great day, everybody.